Let's find out what the outlook is when it comes to the technical charts. Kunal Bothra joining right into our studios. And Kunal, last week it was pretty critical, 23K. We've got a healthy handover from Wall Street and it's expiry week. What are you penciling in?
Yeah, so I think last couple of days were quite positive for the indices because we saw the comeback of large cap names and good mix of large cap stocks, the likes of L&T, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys to a larger extent also I think saw mild comeback for itself. So I think a slew of large cap names which made a strong comeback, evidence of short covering which has been consistent for the last 2 days for many of these private sector banking names, etc. I think that's also another positive, and that could probably indicate that we may see some round of follow through up move for many of the stocks. The Nifty scaling past about the 23,000 mark. This is very important and critical because generally during an expiry week, if we see the indices break past about a certain psychological or a round figure number, it generally invites more short covering. So we need to see if we sustain about the 23,000 mark, it could probably lead to more short covering, especially in terms of the call writing for the index options. So that could also be another trigger for the index to move up higher. Net the bias remains bullish, and I think with with many of the large cap names participating quite well, I would believe that the markets could get much more stability going forward.
Okay, so is that what your list is like? Largely large caps, Kunal?
Yeah, largely large cap names and the likes of HDFC Bank, for example, for the first time I think it's come back into a breakout mode, very close towards a breaking past about the 200-day moving average now. So betting on HDFC Bank from current levels, also targets of 1550 on the very short term. Stop loss could be kept at 1490. The second will be Band TVS Motors. This stock is also on the verge of a triangular pattern breakout on the swing charts, breaking past about the 2230, 2240 mark, which is the breakout point for the stock on the short term basis. So would suggest a target of 2320 on TVS Motors and stop loss at 2200.
Okay, there you have it. Your top technical recommendations being flagged off by Kunal.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.